Victoria, let's talk about what you are watching for CPI today.
I mean, CPI days are always historically volatile, one of the most volatile days of the month. So we're looking at core coming down probably to 0.3 month over month, 0.4 on headline. But the big thing is what's happening with rents. You know, we know airfares eased a little bit. We knew fuel prices came up. We're also watching what's happening at food away from home. There's going to be a lot of parsing through the data, not just the headline number, but where are some of these underlying trends going? So super exciting day today, big mover day typically. We saw a lot of bullish bets come in earlier on this week, a lot in the bond market with the 10-year maybe going down to 4.3. So you're seeing some people really see some optimism. We could see core ease. We could finally see some progress happening here. And there's the concerns of re-accelerating inflation and stagflation may not be as big if we get some better trends today.
How puzzling has the market action been with hotter-ish than expected PPIs and then rates ticking slightly lower? We've got the NASDAQ closing at a record high yesterday. All of this is happening as there's more commentary about higher for longer rates. What gives?
I think the markets love earnings. I mean, honestly, the underlying fundamentals of most of these companies have been great. There's still this AI tailwind. I think we're still in the early innings of AI increasing productivity, increasing margins for companies. So I think if you look at the earnings season, it's been fairly strong. And so we're able to overlook some of the hawkish Fed. I know they're beating that drum higher for longer, but markets love the fact that kind of rate hikes got taken off the table. So we're looking at bullish data points. PPI is a great example. The headline number was terrible, but everybody's like, oh, but there were some good data points underneath that'll feed into PCE, so maybe PCE won't be as bad, because PCE definitely trumps PPI. We're having an all acronym morning here, Dom. PPI, CPI, PCE, we're hitting all the bingo check boxes.
It is an alphabet soup always when it comes to econ data, Victoria, for sure. Let's talk about where you're seeing some opportunity in the markets right now. Are there any stocks or sectors that stand out to you?
Yeah, absolutely. I love the power play. I love utilities rallying. How great is that? That beaten down sector is doing well. I love things that are benefiting from the fact that we actually are going to have to generate more power. So something like a Quantum Resources, a Emerson, you know, you've got a lot of areas in the utility sector that are great. Loving on NVIDIA, they report next week. That's going to be a huge market event, but they're likely going to just absolutely crush their high expectations. And one sector that I like right now, it's a little beaten down and a little unloved, but I love Prologis, PLD, and the real estate sector. The transportation and logistics have just been clobbered this year, but I think it's a little overdone. So that's one area I see opportunities.